The automotive world is abuzz with Jeep's latest innovations, signaling a transformative era for the iconic brand. Leading the charge is the 2026 Jeep Recon, an all-electric SUV that embodies Jeep's legendary off-road prowess while embracing sustainable technology. Designed as an electric counterpart to the renowned Wrangler, the Recon features hallmark elements such as removable doors and a rear-mounted spare tire. Its all-wheel drive system, equipped with electronic locking differentials, ensures exceptional traction across diverse terrains. Built on Stellantis' modular STLA large platform, the Recon boasts a fully independent suspension, enhancing both on-road comfort and off-road capability. While specific powertrain details remain under wraps, expectations are high for robust electric motors delivering impressive horsepower, positioning the Recon as a formidable contender in the electric off-roader segment. In parallel, Jeep is preparing to unveil a successor to the Cherokee, aiming to fill the void left by its predecessor's departure. Recent spy shots reveal a more substantial and boxier design, suggesting a shift towards a larger, more commanding presence. This upcoming SUV is set to ride on the STLA large platform, aligning with Jeep's strategy to accommodate both hybrid and future electric powertrains. Initially, the Cherokee replacement will debut with a hybrid system, likely pairing a 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, reflecting Jeep's commitment to versatile and eco-friendly propulsion options. The Jeep Compass is also undergoing a significant transformation. Production of the new Compass is slated to commence in mid-2025 at Stellantis' Melfi plant in Italy, with plans to extend manufacturing to North America and other markets by 2026. This model will be built on the medium platform, offering flexibility for fully electric, hybrid, and internal combustion engine variants. Notably, the electric Compass is expected to deliver a range exceeding 400 miles on a single charge, positioning it competitively among long-distance EVs. However, a notable shift is that only the electric variant will feature Jeep's traditional four-wheel drive system, while hybrid and petrol versions will adopt rear-wheel drive, marking a departure from the brand's legacy. In a surprising development, Jeep has decided to discontinue the Grand Cherokee in the Australian market. Despite previous price reductions aimed at boosting sales, the model struggled to regain its former popularity. This move reflects broader challenges faced by the Jeep brand in Australia, with declining sales and a reduced dealership network. The discontinuation of the Grand Cherokee underscores the dynamic nature of the automotive industry and the need for brands to adapt to shifting consumer preferences and market conditions. Jeep's current trajectory highlights a bold commitment to electrification and innovation, ensuring the brand remains at the forefront of the evolving SUV landscape. By integrating advanced technologies with its storied off-road heritage, Jeep is poised to meet the demands of modern consumers seeking both adventure and sustainability.